This story is about a Jamaican man who's in America illegally and hitting from ICE. Share you thoughts of what you think he should do.
Yeah, man, that's up to your viewers, there, man. The lovely work we are, though. Um, I don't do my storyline still, but me I beg change my voice. Because, me know, people of Jamaica here, the situation, and, me just a call and a talk to you, and say me can't listen to people advice pertaining to my situation, alright, so. When me tell you what I go and read now, alright, so. I get my visa 2019. Alright? Me never get for travel through the whole pandemic. About 2020 already where everybody have to stay in and the whole thing. So anyway, during the time I met one lady on Facebook and then telling the people I look around for friendship and them thing that me and her struck a relationship. And we start talk. And we never did our work at the time, and now and then, I think at the time they used to get some money. And then get some money, like for person who not work. I don't know if I stimulate check or one of that, or something, then get something when, COVID, the government did give them. So anyway, when she get the money, should I normally send down $250 for me buy food? And, men are going and really talk about expectation. And she said, what would I want to when I come America? So, at the time, I never travel yet. So, I said to myself, say, more longer for a long time mix up boss. Alright, so, the job I'm used to do at Jamaica, them do a referral letter to prove that I work in there. So I think them kinda help me get my visa. Fast forward now, pandemic, come on go now. So I say, alright, I better take a chance now. I'm going out foreigner now. Anyway, she picked me up at the airport. So, I'm not going in the state, but I just use America. Alright, so at the time, I'm not gonna be honest with you. A lot of people have a bashing and them thing there. At the time, I was seeing a lady in Jamaica. Alright? Might some call it relationship, some call it friendship benefit, but we have understanding, mutual understanding, so me never met you know when I go still, but yeah. Reach America. Now the lady now meet me. Alright, me know you like ask what age I was. I'm 39 years old and the lady is 44. Alright, so young enough at the time. So I met her and at the airport, and she came me to our place. She introduced me to her two kids them. Not gonna tell her the age, but big enough. Alright, so anyway, my initial plan was to visit and stay for at least a month, 2 months. So, at the time, she said she can try to get me a job under the table. So, I said, alright, look about it for me. So, she make 2 links. And to be honest, it was her ex-husband. She linked me up would say, me have some family member at the time she never make him know say me and her was dating, so me could have me get some part-time work like 3 days a week at the time, cause at the time things did kinda get back to normal, so he could get fee employ me full-time, so yeah, work with him. So each time I work with him now, I realize say I'm good pan the work, and me I put in more work than the guys them where actually I use. On work now that get some man 3 days, some man 3 days the weekend and the other weekend. But I realize that me I do the job where him would have pay a man for come do the other days then. So me I do a 5-day work. for my 3 day. If you understand what I mean. So, him say to me, say, alright, here I go on. He say, me I put on the work, so here what? Him a give me 5 day. Say, me I go on do my thing. Alright. Time goes. He say, I'm married the lady I tell me say, when we did there at Jamaica, she sent me much money and she want every money with me. When she send come give me. Cause she are running a bankruptcy and her credit gone up on one brother something so. We have to work as a team cause she spend so much money. She not spend money when she talk about like 1,000-2,000 at US. Mix up so I said, alright. I thought those things was a gift. Anyway, me start see she change her colors. She start demanding. She look for this big expectation. Whenever me go work and me stop and me hang out to demand them, it's like it's a problem. She start get controlling. Me no let me make the ultimate mistake by married her, but me did want to stay a friend cause the money sweet and me plan say yeah, me I go come back down and start out myself. Alright, fast forward now. Me and her start up some little disagreement. Alright? Initially the husband find out, the ex-husband find out say, me and never did no cousin. So, when him find out, he must say to me say, me coulda come clean and tell him say, whatever. And I like him would give me work. So him don't know where she hide that from. Somebody did explain to him the whole thing, but him inside my work with it and nothing wrong, cause I'm an earner there, I know. Alright? Alright, so after that now, I start to change it. So nice it changes, I say to her, say, I understand this whole thing here, cause I'm married here for a period of time now and me I play my part. So I understand where it was for where you want from me. You understand? And she ready, she took up my phone, she search it. She say, when me get me pay now, she said she wanted to open up a joint account. Alright? So she can have full control over everything and so basically I said to her, I said, I don't want a joint account because if I got the joint account, every money me take out of my account now, it will be like I figure account for it, which are my work. Cause she a work and she a do her thing. So when I think it fair enough for she a question me about my money and when I send it to and all of them stuff there. Alright? So anyway, one day she wash. She do laundry and she wash on. Cause me just talk it through, she find one slip. When me send her some money and money down to the girl at Jamaica way. At the time I tell about her, yeah, me and her did that link. On a level. Not on a dating, but in a help support her with things in a Jamaica, cause you don't know. Me is a youth. Me not forget where me I come from. Understand? So, she find it and she create a big argument. She accused me. Say you want to go back to Jamaica. You send in this beep. The beep out that money. Oh, all Jamaican man are cheaters. All Jamaican man is this, all Jamaican man is that. So I start to I say, oh, remember, at first me never planned for come as I come married. But it planned for come work and do me thing. And through me now I help you. Yeah, try control me, or you manipulate me and do what you want to do and Sunday. So anyway, she cussed and she said, okay, since that you want me now go, me just, when the 2 year over, the 2 year green card expire, she now go push through fee, me get the 10 year. So I said, alright then. So I did it. I go and do my thing and anyway, I said to myself, say, yeah, my cousin did. Family member, should I say cousin? Family member say, if I come up in there and whatever. Alright, so in time now, I go so bums to no one. The company I work with, the project they did finish, so with a go, we out at port now for the finish so that project, so I said to myself, sir, One day I'm go work, I just start up myself. And my cousin drive and we pack up my things them. Just my clothes and suitcase and things, cause I never really have nothing in my house. I'm go to side to my cousin place, alright, so. She called me and asked me when you walking. She said 2 days pass and she didn't say me, come I could have bothered if you call her and tell her. You know, the woman, I cut his story short. The woman, let me know say me now will get me 10 years and I can go to hell. If me now, if me I live in her house, me have to do as she say, and if you have my tides back to Jamaica. So me say me now work with that, so. And my cousin me head for, you understand? And then she call me back, I say she's sorry I'm if come back, but cousin I said me not go back. You understand, so. When me do now, it time did I wind down. Cause this one me I guess a period of time, so you wind down for about the 2 year expire. So after expire now, I call her and I tell her, say, oh, I don't want to push you. The thing for me, I make everything work out. She say, she can't deal with that and right now. She had divorced me. You understand? She said she had divorced me right now, so. Anyway, long story short, I did some I tell her over a 5 year period, so. The divorce come true. She divorced me, but I didn't want to divorce her. I want the 10 year and at the same time I don't want to live with her. Neither a far or a facility. She don't want that. Understand? So, enough people have said me use her. There's no way me use this woman. I just the behavior and everything change once me start work. Alright, so anyway. After that now, divorce country everything and so. You know me undocumented now. In our country, my cousin used to link up with people. Link me up on a couple of people, but most of them when me link up on them, then they in I said position like me. You understand? So it never work out, so now this man now come in office now, fast forward now to 2024, 25 and right now, me undocumented in a file. And bear in mind, I never come back to Jamaica for any time there. But the lucky thing with me now mix up as me listening to show, I'm see enough people squander their money. Alright, so me they are fire now, and the said lady who used to talk to Jamaica, as she may manage most of my money. And me have the control over it, cause me have the app where me can check my account balance, and me can see everything, so. Me work and save a piece of money, plus me have a piece of money over there, so. Now go and do my thing. Alright, so. Right now, me undocumented, and right now, to this a work out, me I come back and me hard now. Me not plan to date it, but, I just come back, the thing is now, me I want ice wall me, and me I want go in a detention center and the whole works and them thing them, so. What more you do now, I may talk on your show, this is the purpose me come up on your show. Me I look piece of land for buy. Anyway, in a St. Thomas, Portland area. I'm repeat it again. With a half a acre, 1 acre, there are piece of land to buy. So I want to come back once me get the land. My lady with the panic ground with the paperwork, and she have a liar, we can't get it sorted out. For me get you with that, that is it. But for now, I go and work on a law. Work kind of cut down, cause through the whole ice thing I really got. Like that sometime I'll 1, 2 weeks in a work, but I have enough of me can go and pinch. And plus me have something back in Jamaica. And that me why use a platform for ask anybody that have no piece of land. I know nobody has some land. I don't want a land for lease, I want it to buy. And then I feel title feed. Alright, so what you sure here I thought some of Jamaican set back themselves, cause rate, but you know, I'm not rich, but I make use of the money we did that over the years, and I'm better off, cause I did still live in other house there. Would have to contribute to a lot of stuff. Would have woman control me and all of them stuff there. So I feel better off, and I think I made the right decision. I don't know if you as the man say if I make your wrong decision still, but I'm just one of the undocumented Jamaican who is here, and I try to, I try better my life, but I don't have a plan, so never come, brother. Nobody know I'm married, nobody over here, and it's situation, it I get worse, so I'm watching channel and see enough things I go, I'm watching, so. You know, make no sense a day and you married somebody and you appear up for the court figure this and that and you go in figure talk to. Who say and then know them what they on the chain. I mean, I run from that, so you put it out there. Alright, big up myself, I do a wonderful job. What about things my left out that story? So people might question it, but I don't want to give out so much information. So we don't know who I watch, but change my voice. I mean, listen out feed. Big up yourself and look for your feedback. Alright, I can't get anybody who want who have the property, my number. Alright, boss, big up yourself. Yeah, cool.